my baby. This is my baby that goes. Oh, stop! Stop! He's biting. Stop! No, no, that's not good.
What's on his neck?
I don't know. This one will eat anything. Anything. Okay, stop! Stop!
Mommy, come here.
Okay, Julia, why is he keep doing this? Stop! Look at his little face. Isn't he adorable?
Mommy, this one wants attention.
Stop! Ow! Julia, get away from my hair! Julia! I got green crap in my hair! Okay, enough. I like you. I like you.
No.
Oh, you. Shoot, he tipped me over. Okay, enough. Is there stuff in my hair? Julia?
No, are you okay?
Yeah.
No, you didn't help me.
Oh my god, he's trying to bite me now! I'm getting out of here! Oh my god, that was hilarious.
Get one of Emily and a goat.
No.
Oh,
I had to pry open his jaws. It doesn't hurt. Ow.
oh my god. Yes, I got it all on video. Can we please watch this? This is hilarious.
Okay.
Mom, watch out behind you.
What are you doing?
Mom,
Okay, are we
let's
supposed
go.
to do this?
Let's go make mates.
Mom, they're okay with it. That was the most funniest thing ever, and I got it all on tape.
My hair?
I'm like, Julia, help! Julia!
Oh, it's